Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable post views on TikTok. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Post view history allows you to see who has viewed your post and keep you informed about viewer engagement. If you turn this setting on, people you follow will also have this setting on will be able to see that you view their post. So what if you want to turn this feature off? It's so simple. So first we can open our TikTok. Now you can go to your settings by tap on your profile on the bottom right here. Tap on the upper right corner the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can just tap on privacy. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option post views. By default, this feature is active. If you want to turn this off, if you want to disable this feature, you can just turn this off. So when you turn on this feature, you can allow people you follow to see that you viewed their post and see which follower view your post. Post view history will only be available for 7 days from the post date. So you can just turn this off. So now if you see someone's post, uh, they will they don't know if you just see their post. So simple, right? So that is how to turn off post view on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.